It's easy to install this innovative toilet seat. To install your seat, start by making sure you have all the parts needed. Here's what's included in the hardware kit. The only tool you'll need is a 5/8" wrench, either a combination wrench or a socket wrench. Begin by inserting A into C as shown. Open the hinge cap. Then slide the AC combination into the hinge. Close the hinge cap. Repeat this process for the other hinge. Next, place the seat on the toilet bowl. Reach beneath the bowl and finger tighten B to the underside of the bowl. Adjust the seat front to back for the proper fit. Holding the seat centered on the bowl, use the 5/8" wrench to tighten the lower portions of B until they snap off. This is how you know you've applied the right amount of torque to keep the seat tight. Now that the seat is properly installed, let's check the Easy Clean and Change function for easy cleaning and removability. First, open the hinge caps. Pull the seat forward to disengage and remove. To reattach the seat, simply place the seat on the bowl and push the hinges back in place to reinstall. Close the hinge caps. That's all it takes. Your toilet seat is now installed.